welcome to Zuby's Organic Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my spicy, delicious cabbage soup. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Zubaida Mohammed. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Now let's get cooking. Let's look at the ingredients for this soup. Cabbage, I'm going to put some lemon juice in it. Carrot and peas, some diced tomatoes, some tomato paste. I have turmeric, ginger, some habanero pepper, and diced garlic. I also have some celery here, chopped onions. I have bay leaf, I have some African seasonings, I have some black pepper and Himalayan salt, and then the final ingredient, which is chopped basil, fresh basil right here from my garden. All right, let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is put about a tablespoon of olive oil in here, and then I'm going to start cooking my onions. Going to let it heat up a little bit. Make sure that your heat is not too much because you don't want the onion and stuff to burn out. So my oil is hot, so I'm going to put in my onions. You know it's hot when you can hear that little bit of noise. I'm going to cook my onion till it's translucent, and then I'm going to start putting in the rest of the ingredients. In order to cook my onions quickly, I'm going to add a little bit of salt into it, which helps the aroma of the onion to come out. This is one of those soups that you can actually just prepare it in your crock pot and leave it to cook as you go to work. By the time you come back, it's all ready. The next ingredient I'm going to put in is my celery. Going to cook that for about 5 minutes, and then I'll go on and add the rest of the ingredients. This soup is so packed with vitamins and has this immune boosting properties to it because of all this ginger and the turmeric and the garlic and everything that we're going to be putting in there. It's just a very hearty soup for you. Each time you're feeling either bloated or you feel like you need to lighten up a little bit, you can just do that. Or if you're feeling some kind of sniffles, so my celery and onion is exactly the way I want it. What I'm going to do now is add my garlic, my turmeric, my ginger, and my habanero pepper. Okay, I'm going to stir it for a little bit, and then I'm going to pour in my water and put all the other ingredients in it and just let it cook. This is a very easy recipe to make, but it's packed with vitamins. I'm going to put in about 3 cups of water and then put in my cabbage and the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Now I'm going to dump in all the ingredients. You can do this, dump everything in there, and then just allow it to cook. cabbage is in there. My tomatoes. Going to scoop in this tomato paste so it can give it some beautiful color and also help thicken it up a little bit. I usually like to leave my carrot. I'm going to cover it and let it cook, and then I'll come in and finalize it with the rest of the seasonings and then my carrot and peas. So this soup is going to be cooking for the next 15-20 minutes. I try not to let it overcook. So let's just come back to it in a bit. So let's look at where our soup is. It looks good. Now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. I have my peas and carrots. I'm going to dump it in there. And then my pepper, Himalayan salt, and my African season go in there. I'm also going to add my chopped fresh basil, goes in there. And then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice in there. Oh, look how delicious it looks. This soup is just packed with vitamins, and it will definitely boost your immune system, and it will let you feel very light once you eat it. You can actually do a whole bunch and save it. I'm going to let it cook for another 5-10 minutes, and then hi guys, so this is my final product. My soup is all ready. Let's taste it. I tell you, this is so delicious. There you have it. You can do a bunch of this and save it. You can even freeze it and come back to it whenever you're looking to have some hearty soup packed with vitamins. Try it, and please like, subscribe, and share our video. Have a great day, and remember, you have only one body. Take care of it.